In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Twilio Message Service SID. Whether you're new to Twilio or just looking to navigate the platform more effectively, having access to your Message Service SID is essential for managing your messaging services efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Twilio account. Head over to console.twilio.com and enter your account credentials. If you haven't signed in for a while, or it's your first time, you might need to go through two-factor authentication for security purposes. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard of your Twilio console. This is your central hub for managing all things Twilio, so it's good to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now that you're on the dashboard, take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This sidebar is where you'll find all the different categories for managing your Twilio account, such as messaging, voice, programmable SMS, and more. For the purpose of this video, you'll want to locate the messaging category on this sidebar. Once you find it, click on it to expand the options underneath. You'll then see a subcategory named Services. Go ahead and click on Services to proceed. After you've clicked on Services, you'll be presented with a list of your currently configured messaging services. This list is particularly handy if you're running several different services, as it provides a snapshot of all your active messaging groups. Now, focus on the columns presented in this list. One of the key columns is labeled SID. This column displays the unique Service SID for each messaging service you have set up in your account. You'll notice that each SID begins with the prefix MG, which stands for Message Service, followed by a unique alphanumeric code. If you're managing multiple services and want to pinpoint one specific message service SID, simply scan through the list for the relevant service. But if you're looking for more detailed information or want to ensure you have the right SID, you can click on any of the services listed. This action will bring you to that particular service's dashboard. On this dedicated page for your selected messaging service, at the very top, you'll find a section labeled Properties. Here you'll find the Message Service SID prominently displayed. This is your go-to identifier for any integrations, development work, or when seeking support. And there you have it, a straightforward way to locate your Twilio Message Service SID within the Twilio console. We hope this guide has made it easy for you to find exactly what you need. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Twilio's support or check their comprehensive online documentation. Until next time, thanks for watching.